Okay guys, so I want to give you an update on this replacement of my Honda 2005 CRV EX actuators. So let me just give you a really quick summary. Before I replaced the actuators, I could not open my door with the remote. The door was stuck. The only way that I was able to open that door was to hit my remote, and you can see that the door is not open. Of course, I didn't press it twice, and I would have to go back here and reach back here and unlock the door manually. Okay, so following some videos on YouTube and ordering my actuator from Amazon, here's the results. So my door is locked. Okay, the doors are locked. All doors are locked, front and back. Now I hit the remote once. That opens up my front door. Back door is still locked. But when I hit the remote, the unlock a second time, oh, we're hitting the lock. Unlock a second time, the rear door opens. So I open, and if I hit the lock, the door locks. So that is absolutely amazing. Hit the unlock twice, the door unlocks. Hit the remote once, and all doors lock. And the same thing was happening, very interestingly, to my rear tailgate as well. So the door is locked, but if I hit the remote, unlock twice, the tailgate works as well. So this is actually the old actuator that came out of my Honda CRV. You can tell it's the old one. Look at, you can see the dirt and everything in it. But this is the one that was replaced.